What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna make one of the best detoxing juices you can make at home. This juice right here is very easy. It is a cucumber lime juice with ginger, and these three things alone are great for your overall health. For starters, cucumber juice is really good to help lower cholesterol. It can help lower blood pressure, and it also helps with weight loss. Cucumbers have anti-inflammatory properties, and it's very hydrating. Next, with ginger is really good with helping with bloating and gas, just overall gut health. And lime juice has a ton of antioxidants, and it's packed with vitamin C. So you just put all these things together and you can have a very detoxing juice. Again, it's a very easy recipe to follow. If you don't have a juicer, you can also put this in a blender. I think when you blend it though, you need to add like water with as much of the fruits and veggies that you use. I'm doing this drink right here. I'm gonna add a couple stems of, or a couple leaves of mint and just give it a little bit more of a freshness. For ginger, I'm using about a thumb size. I use 2 pieces of that. And then I just go ahead and add this into the Nama J2 hopper. And this right here is very easy in my opinion. I'm not familiar with a ton of different juicers, but I know the Nama J2 juicer is super easy to use, and that's why I did get it. It's also very easy to clean. So if you are interested in finding a juicer and you're willing to spend, some money, or you can put it on a firm, I believe, go ahead and get the Nama J2 juicer. It makes your life easy. It's easy to clean. You can store it very easily. It doesn't have a ton of pieces. This isn't an ad for Nama J2. I'm just a recent buyer, and that's why I speak about it a lot. This juicing recipe right here is very great. Now, you can tweak it a little bit if you want to. I think I got about 2 16-ounce cups of this. If you want to do a batch juice, I say just multiply it by however many cups of that 16 ounces you want. Or you can even put it inside of shots if you want to. So just go ahead and do as you please. Definitely try this recipe out right here if you've been looking for a new juicing drink, or if you've been wanting a detoxing juice. This right here is really good. Of course, cucumbers are one of the most hydrating fruits you can have. So definitely try this recipe out. I think it's a 10 out of 10. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and also drop a comment down below.